everyone, I'm Sami. I'm the hygienist here at Lab Dental in Wabash. I just want to take a couple minutes to kind of introduce myself. I'm actually new to the Lab family and it's been a great experience here. I grew up in Napanee, Indiana, so a very small town. It's been great getting to know everyone here in Wabash. I've met so many amazing people coming in as patients. I graduated hygiene school at Ivy Tech Community College in South Bend. It was very awesome kind of seeing all these new things that I didn't really even know about hygiene. I kind of went in thinking, oh yeah, I clean teeth, and it's been so much more of an experience than that. I love being a hygienist. I love getting to know people and trying to help them learn things that I didn't know growing up about oral health. I also have a 3-year-old daughter who loves hygiene and loves getting her teeth cleaned. I love being around kids. So if you guys have any more questions, you guys can always call us to come in. Thanks a lot.